Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this quick guide, we'll explain how to use the Move Zero to Inclusive Tax for Discounted Items option in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Sale Voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series, then go to the Other Settings 3 section. Here, you will find an option labeled Move Zero to Inclusive Tax for Discounted Items. This feature is used to ensure that discounted items are still treated as tax-inclusive so that the pricing and tax remain consistent in tax-inclusive billing. This setting provides three selectable parameters under the inclusive tax field. The inclusive tax field in billing systems is used to indicate that the item price entered already includes applicable taxes. You can choose the desired tax field where the system should shift zero-value amounts arising from discounted items, ensuring accurate and compliant tax calculations. The first parameter none indicates that no tax field is assigned, and therefore, zero-value adjustments will not be applied to any inclusive tax field. Let's take a closer look at its behavior during billing. Before moving to the billing screen, let's first understand where the inclusive tax is located and how it is defined. For the same, go to Setup Tax Types, Sales. The software comes with predefined sales tax types, allowing you to easily select and view the specific tax type you wish to configure or review. Here, you can view the inclusive tax types along with all their associated details, including tax rates, accounts, and GST classifications. Now let's move to the billing screen. The View Total screen displays inclusive tax calculation, where the gross amount already includes taxes. Tax 2 appears as a negative adjustment due to the inclusive method, ensuring the net amount remains unchanged. Upon applying a 5% cash discount, you'll notice that the zero-value adjustment is not reflected in any tax field. You can review and verify the tax calculation dynamically during billing by clicking Configuration and selecting the Calculation Mode option. This feature allows you to adjust the calculation parameters and view how taxes and other charges are applied in real time. Let's return to the Sale Voucher configuration and select the Inclusive Tax field as Tax 2. This option specifies that any zero-value adjustments resulting from discounts will be applied to the second defined Inclusive Tax field. After entering a cash discount of 5%, the moment we click the Save button, the value in the Tax 2 field is adjusted to 0, reflecting the impact of the discount on the assigned inclusive tax field. As observed, when CD is applied, the system proportionally reduces Tax 2 from the screen. It then recalculates and applies the remaining taxes accurately on the adjusted amount.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.